my pain, honey. I'm sick and tired of this rain. Drink away my pain, honey, until I'm begging for the rain. Oh yeah. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivysaur Fingers again with you with a very quick down and dirty lesson on a song from a gentleman called Koe Wetzel. I hope that's the right pronunciation. A song called Honey Pain, okay, which I've been asked for some help with, okay, so here it is, okay. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Koe Wetzel, okay. And but what I've played you there is it goes all the way through the song doing that. Okay, there's nothing else I can show you in the song. I don't think there's anything else he plays. It's just verse, 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 verse. Okay, so what I'm playing, the basic gist of the song is the rising bass line, which is okay. So bottom E string, second on the bottom E string, third on the bottom E string, hammer open fifth to second on the fifth string, and then a hammer from the second on the fifth to the third on the fifth. Okay, and all that's going on whilst you're doing some strumming as well. Okay, so first chord you need is an E minor seventh. Very simple. First finger, second fret, fifth string, third finger, third fret, second string. Okay. And what you do is you hit the bottom E string open and strum the chord, okay? Okay. Then what you do is you take this first finger, keeping your third finger where it is all the way through this sequence. That doesn't move, okay? First finger moves about, okay? So first time open E, E minor seventh. Then move this first finger up to the second fret on the bottom E string, hit that note, strum the chord. Okay, so okay, got that. Then use your second finger to play the third fret on the bottom E string and strum again. Okay, got that. Okay. Then what we do is we hit the A string, fifth string, open, hammer up with your first finger to the second fret on that string, on the fifth string. Strum. So now we've got this. Okay, got that. Then what we do is we hammer from that second fret on the fifth string to the third fret using your second finger. Okay, strum again. And if you want, you can pick around the top two strings, top two or three strings, or you can just strum it, okay? The top string is open, so that's it. So and that's it. It just repeats everything, okay? After that. Got it? Okay. So it's basically a build-up from E minor seventh to a G, and then from the G, put back to the E minor seventh, where it's a partial G, to a C add 9. Okay? So there you have it. That's all there is in the song. It just repeats that phrase round and round again. Okay? So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.